Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Physics Wallah app and tapping Profile. This gets you straight to account settings. Once there, verify the registered email and phone, because the app sends OTPs to update sensitive academic info. Make sure you have a valid photo ID and enrollment details ready. These speed verification. If your email or phone is outdated, update them first and confirm OTPs, because you cannot change academic records without verified contact points. You now tap Academic Details and choose Edit to change course, college, or year. This is the main form. Upload scanned ID and enrollment proof in JPEG or PDF. Keep each file under 5 MB so uploads complete quickly. Fill institution name, enrollment number, and start date accurately. Small mismatches cause rejections. Once done, review fields, then save as draft if you need time. Remember, clear scans and exact names speed manual verification by support. You submit changes and watch for an app confirmation or an email, typically within 48 hours, because the team manually verifies documents. Once done, make sure to log out and back in to see updates reflected across the app. If the update is rejected, open notifications to read the exact reason, correct the highlighted fields, and re-upload documents. Troubleshooting tip. If uploads fail, clear app cache, switch to Wi-Fi, then retry. Contact support with the ticket ID if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.